By popular demand, I'm going to show you how to wrap your hat bouquets step by step. In part 1, I showed you how to attach your hat to your bouquet, and part 2, I showed you how to form it, and now I'm going to show you how to wrap it. For this bouquet, I used 5 papers. I used one full one, and I cut 4 of the papers in half, like so. For your base paper, I usually just fold these sides into the middle and create this type of shape. I usually secure it with staples, but if you want more of like a seamless look, then you can secure it with tape. For this paper, I usually press down the sides to give it a flat look, and I line up the bouquet with the top of the paper and secure it to the tape. For my sides, I do that fold method. It's kind of hard to explain, but as long as it looks similar, you'll be fine. And then I'll secure it with tape and do the same thing on the other side. I would say to try to get them as similar as possible, just so it can be symmetric, and secure with staples. And I do one more sheet for each side. I then move on to a different style. So I do the same method, but I fold it in half so it looks like this. And I always secure the bottom with staples, and then I flatten it out just to hold its shape. And then I will repeat on the other side, so same method, and then I'll just fold it in half, and then I will staple to secure. And putting some pressure on it, it is ideal just so it can hold its shape. And of course I grab my glue dots just so I can secure it to that base paper, and I make sure that that top piece is showing. And I repeat on the other side to secure it, and then I tape it to the base of the bouquet. And always make sure that you tape on both sides so nothing moves around. And then I'll just repeat the same thing on the other 2 sides of the paper, and I'll stick it to that base paper and then do the other side. With the little sheets, I do it at the bottom, and then I also tape it on the side so that it can have extra support and to stick. Like I said, if you don't have glue dots, run, because it helps so much. I'll repeat on the other side and secure with tape. Lastly, we are going to do our mini sheets. So I'll just fold. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing exactly, how to describe it. I'll just fold it until it looks identical, and I'll put that pressure on it as well to hold its shape, and then I'm just seeing how it looks, and I repeat it another 2 times. So I have a total of 4 mini papers. For the minis, I do just put glue dots on the bottom, and then I secure it with tape, and then I repeat on the other side. And I'll go in after with glue dots just to adjust anything. And then I add my last 2 mini papers, and I do the same process and always secure with tape. I then add some glue dots just to secure everything in place, and I add a black bow with a little diamond to secure it in place, and this is the finished product. So cute. If you ever recreate the bouquet, tag me so I can see your creations.